What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to our channel Virtuous for Trading. इस वीडियो में हमने एक लाइव सेशन हमारे मेंटीज के साथ जो हमने लिया है वो अपलोड किया है। आप इस वीडियो से ये सीख सकते हो कि मार्केट में हम कैसे बायस डिसाइड करते हैं। उस सेशन में मैंने बताया है कि लाइव मार्केट में अगर प्राइस किसी लेवल के पास जाना चाहता है तो क्यों जाना चाहता है, क्या रीज़न है उसका उसके पास जाने के लिए इवन बिफोर इट टेक्स प्लेस। वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, होने के बाद तो कोई भी बता देगा, राइट? सो अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल जॉइन नहीं किया है, सो लिंक इज़ डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, हम कुछ भी अपडेट होता है जो लाइव मार्केट में निफ्टी या बैंक निफ्टी के बेसिस पे, वो हम यहाँ पे अपडेट करते हैं। सारी चीज़ें हमारी स्ट्रैटेजीज़ के बेस्ड अराउंड होगी ताकि आप चीज़ें वहाँ पे सीख सको, समझ सको। यहाँ पे हम कुछ छुपाएँगे नहीं, जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो आपको डेफ़िनेटली यहाँ पे अपलोडेड मिल जाएगी in the live market before it happens. Alright guys, so let's jump on to the video. Link is down in the description. Thank you.
Okay. I feel there's something wrong in terms of for the price to go higher because if you look at this is a 50% candlestick rejection block on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame it's not tested. Okay, but on the 15-minute it's probably tested already. This rejection block that you see here is already tested in this candlestick. It does not look like it's tested on the 1 hour time frame. I agree to that because it's never traded here. But the fact that this is traded on the 15-minute time frame already, okay, again, something new to learn, but don't complicate this. Don't complicate this. Just go with the flow. You will understand this at some given point. Okay, so if this is already tested, guys, and if you assume that this has done its work, what is this then? What is this? Tell me. Few people will know. What is this? Sanket says BPR. One more guy should know this. Yes. Balanced price range. Perfect. It's a balanced price range. Perfect. Perfect. So if it's a balanced price range, where is the next liquidity that you can spot on the chart? Spot it right away, guys. Spot it right away. Go ahead. 212.4. Why 212.41, bro? This fair value gap right here. This is the next imbalance, and this is the next imbalance, and this is the next liquidity right here. Price should then come here. Okay, price should then come here. This fair value gap needs to be tested. So we would like to see the price take out this low right here. We don't want to see this now. It already tested this. That means it should not take any support here. This is the next round liquidity. Now, what I just pointed out is based on balanced price range concept, nothing else. Okay, you need to understand what is support, what is resistance. Have we covered BPR, Pawan Raj? Did we cover BPR? Yes, Pandit, the FVG was perfect. Did we cover BPR, Pawan Raj?
No, bro.
Okay, okay, we'll do that in the next session. Today we'll learn about journaling and we'll learn about the bias. So if this is my drawn liquidity, I want to see the price come here. I want to see the price come here. Fair value gap right here. Now understand what I'm trying to show you is based on the daily time frame. Don't think that these are going to be your intraday. You can obviously take intraday trades, but I'm trying to show you here that the markets only move for two reasons: liquidity and imbalance. If you can understand the correct liquidity or imbalance, just because there is a liquidity, that does not mean it will go there. You need to identify the reasons why is it supposed to go there. Okay, so as soon as I move to the 15-minute time frame, this is where people they limit themselves to a particular time frame, and that is when they say, "अरे 1 minute में चीजें नहीं समझ रही, I'm unable to understand things on 5 minutes, then on 15 minutes it's something else." No, why is it there in your head that you have to stick to a particular time frame? You don't. You have to continuously switch between time frames to actually understand and make money in a career where it's not possible for 99% people to make money. So why do you think it is going to be objective for you? You have to switch between times and you have to switch between the charts. Okay, 1 hour things look like it can go up, but as soon as we spotted the 15-minute time frame, price was here and then it broke below this also. Now it is a good sign. And if you really want to see, guys, understand this, if you really want to see the price go down, this fair value gap needs to take resistance. This fair value gap needs to take resistance. Yes, this fair value gap needs to take resistance and it should fall down from this fair value gap to this fair value gap, because this is the next draw on liquidity. That means if you take a trade around here, okay, you can put a stop loss somewhere here, and this is going to be a target. This is what I would expect. Okay, I'm not sure how deep can this retrace. Probably take my stop loss as well. But if we are correct, this fair value gap will sustain, and we will see the price go down right here to take out this low. That is going to be a very easy objective for us. Do we have a breaker block? Yes, we have a breaker block. All of these down candles is your breaker block. The fact that, guys, understand this, I don't really enter these trades here, but the fact that you have a fair value gap here, okay, understand, you can see a deep retracement. Okay, you can see a deep retracement, and this deep retracement then can push the prices lower. Okay, so whenever you are trading into these conditions, just know for a fact that the markets, they move for liquidity and imbalance on every single time frame. Okay, so if you wish that this fair value gap should take resistance and go in your favor, you can try a test entry. Sometimes this is what I do, like as you saw, if I am entering here, I would make sure that I exit right away if I feel that the price is trying to go in this direction even once. I wanted something like this. Okay, if the price creates something like this, then you can obviously re-enter this trade for a better risk reward into this particular scenario. Okay, all of this is good. The price should come here. This is going to be a very strong bias. If this takes place at any given point, okay, if this takes place at any given point, you can also determine that things on the higher time frame, weekly and daily, also works the same way, also works the very similar way. Okay, now I'll remove this vi. It's not needed for us. We just see how the price goes right into this area. Does it really go there or not? Yeah, you have a better fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame, like this. So sorry, 3 minute time frame. Yeah. The stop loss was pretty huge, so it becomes a little risky for to show here based on 1:1. But if I want to hold on to a trade, I will make sure that the quantities are very less at that point. I would not trust that fact that the price cannot go here. I would not trust that fact. It can definitely go here. So I'll not never enter with like the same quantities. Okay. These are the things that you will learn ahead. But initially, I want you to understand what we are doing here, how the price is moving, why the price is moving, where we want to see it go. Okay. This is a 5 minute fair value gap. This is the 1 minute that's unfilled there. Breaker block right here. Let's see if the price can simply run below. That means this is your liquidity, this is your liquidity. If you're trading, if you're anticipating a daily time frame candlestick, you are anticipating that the price should not go above the breaker block low. Only then you can take a very high probability short trade. Okay. Again, drawn liquidity is the 15-minute time frame fair value gap. That's it. We identified a BPR. We identified that things have already tested everything. We can push lower. We identified the liquidity. That's it. We want to see the price come here. It may want to like, mm, usually these things are tough to enter when you have a fair value gap above. If you got an entry here, then it's nice. If you had an entry here, then it's nice. You can hold on to those trades. After taking partials right here, you can definitely hold on to those trades. But it can show a deep retracement and then fall very sharply like this. What I'm trying to show you here is that the price comes here no matter what. This precise level 208.96 needs to be tested. That's a very important understanding. No matter what, it should be there. Whatever I'm marking here is everything. Everything is a tape reading. Everything is tape reading. You have to mark these things to get an understanding of order flow. So as you can see, everything here is a bearish fair value gap. That is an order flow that tells you or supports the idea that the price should test this. Okay. Done. We reached here where we were supposed to reach. Okay. These entries, whatever I am plotting here, whatever I plotted here, these are not your final entries. Okay, you will do better than this. There is, but what I'm showing here is I showed you two potential 1:1. Do you agree to that? I showed you two potential 1:1. Do you all agree to that? Guys, waiting for your replies. Two potential 1:1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Nice. Two potential 1:1 and again, with those two potential 1:1, what can you understand? That if you focus on your entries much, sorry, if you focus on your bias and tape reading much, you can be a participant into trades like this. And guys, I am not looking at Tesla the whole day or the whole what do you say, every single day. No, I have no clarity. I simply, whenever I'm doing these sessions, I do it on the 1 minute time frame and I just show it to you what we are expecting. If you see me, if I wanted to expect longs, I did not executed anything there, right? I did not even put the this thing, the tool. What I was trying to show you there is the price going to respect that VI or not? We were watching it. We were not forcing it. We were not forcing it to work. We were not forcing that order block to work. We were watching it, that is it going to work or not, right? Is it going to take support at that area or not? Okay, that is how slowly you will develop an understanding. See, price was here, it fell lower. It's too sharp, right? Too sharp. Why did it go there with momentum? Simple reason. It was very clear about the drawn liquidity. See, I'm doing this every time I do these sessions. Uh, Deval has probably attended 2 3 sessions like these, and I guess I'm not sure who else, but you have seen the accuracy. You have seen, not about the accuracy, but you have seen Manish has also attended. But you guys have seen how every time we point out a liquidity or imbalance, the price goes there. I don't care. Again, I don't care if you are entering twice or thrice. Guys, if you know that the price is supposed to come here, even if you enter twice, even if you enter thrice, and your third trade works out, it's fine. It's fine. You do not give yourself more than 3 opportunities, then you are doing something wrong. But in the first 2 trades, if you can keep your losses small and take a third trade and actually make some money, it's okay. But you have to work on yourself where you are keeping only, like, where you're only taking 2 trades and it should work in your favor. That's it. That means you need to identify some high probability trades. How do you identify high probability trades? You identify bias on weekly and daily time frame. I do that only. That's it. Once I do this, I do all of this practice to understand if the price is really going there or not. Because if I did not had this understanding, I would have never plotted this 15-minute fair value gap to show you that it can go here before it actually went there. Please understand this. You can see the recording once again. Even before it tested this VI, it was probably somewhere here. When I said that we should go here. Okay. Yes, we were first expecting this, but we changed our mind. Very clearly, we changed our mind because this was an anticipation. This was a surety. And you can hear it in my voice and words when I say it, that it can reach there. It can reach there. So when we are looking at this, I say it is supposed to go there. It is supposed to go there